Up, everyone. If you've been hunting for CNFANS promo codes in 2025, you've probably noticed that most of the so-called coupon sites are either outdated or flat out fake. So today, I'm breaking down exactly how to find real working CNFANS codes that actually save you money. Here's the truth. The actual working codes usually don't show up in the CNFANS app itself. Instead, you'll find them shared in community spaces, mainly on Reddit. Subreddits like Fashion Reps or Rep Ladies often post legit codes in haul threads or even in spreadsheets that get updated on a regular basis. Another tip: new users sometimes get the best deals through invite links that are shared in those same communities. These can unlock extra coupons or shipping discounts. Now, during big sale seasons, CNFANS quietly runs promos inside the app. Keep an eye out for banners or those spin to win events, which can reward you with shipping credits or discount vouchers. One important thing: don't waste time Googling CNFANS promo code. Almost all those sites are fake or expired. If you want fresh codes, Reddit is where everyone gets them. Just make sure to check the date so you're not trying something that's already expired. And that's it. Stick to the Reddit communities, watch out for app promos, and use invite links to score the best deals. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who shops on CNFANS.